Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel Links. In this tutorial you can see how you can use your Android phone as a webcam. This is most popular software Droid Cam. I am going to show you how you can use this and set up this. First of all, you need to download Droid Cam, both of your Android and PC. If you can't see the download link, please see the description. You can see the download link there. Okay, now I already installed Droid Cam in my mobile. You can see that. Now I'm going to install this into my PC. Let's check this out, how you can install and use. Right button here, click run as administrator, then click yes. Okay, click next. I agree. That's it. It doesn't matter. Click install. Wait while this is installing. That's it. Close setup. Finish. Click finish. It's done. Now you can go to the start menu here. See DroidCam. Where is it? DroidCam client. Click here. You can see device IP, DroidCam port. You can see this is here. Now you can check this out, audio and video. It doesn't matter. I will use only video, so I'll check this out, video. Click start, then see unexpected error, please report. Okay, what we need, we actually need device IP address. What is device IP address? Now look at my mobile phone. I'm going to open Droid Cam. See in the upper Wi-Fi IP. This is the IP. I have to put it here, 192. Now click start button. Unexpected error. Okay, let's check this out again. What is the problem? What status? Computer start. Wi-Fi. Connect over Wi-Fi LAN. Okay, we need to use this connect over Wi-Fi LAN. Then write the IP address. Then click start. That's it. See, you can see this is my desktop. You can see this is very cool, you know. You can see Links IT Institute. This is my institute. Okay, now you can see actually also me. This is very cool software, and see the video quality, very high definition video. You can use this as a webcam. You don't need to buy a webcam when you already have Android phone or iOS device. This is very cool software. I personally use this and I recommended this to you. You can download this, see in the description. Well, this is how you can use this. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button for more videos. Support me, do like, comment and share more. Thanks for watching this video.